Let's explore another important topic in TypeScript: object types. Object types are used when we want to group multiple values together. They're more flexible than primitive types and allow us to build real-world structures in our code. Let's look at some common object types with examples. Object. The object type represents any non-primitive value, but in most cases we try to use more specific types than just object. Here's an example. Let person object equals name John, age 30. This works, but it's better to be more specific using interfaces or types. An array is a list of values. All the items in the array should usually be of the same type. Let numbers, number equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Let names, string equals Alice, Bob, Charlie. We use square brackets to show that it's an array of a certain type, like number or string. Tuple. A tuple is like an array, but it has a fixed number of items, and each item can have a different type. Let user, string number equals Alice 25. This means the first value must be a string, and the second must be a number. Enum. An enum lets you create a list of named values, like options or categories. Enum direction up, down, left, right. Let move direction equals direction.up. Enums help your code be more readable and meaningful, especially when you're working with fixed sets of values. Functions are also considered a type. You can define what type of values the function takes and what it returns. Function add a number, b number, number, return a plus b. Here, the function takes two numbers and returns a number. This helps catch mistakes if someone tries to pass in the wrong types. A class is a blueprint for creating objects. It can contain properties and methods. Class animal, name string, constructor name string, this.name equals name. Speak, console.log, this.name makes a sound. Let dog equals new animal, buddy, dog.speak. Classes help organize code, especially when working with many objects that share the same structure. Interface. An interface describes the shape of an object, what properties it has, and what types they should be. Interface, user, name, string, age, number. Let user's name Alice, age 25. Interfaces are really useful in TypeScript. They make your code easier to understand and easier to scale. Object types are powerful. They allow us to represent real-world ideas and structure our code better.